Hi everybody, it's Dave McLean here from Dick's Performance, and on today's workshop, we're talking audiophile with Diamond Audio. We're going to talk about the DIAMANTE Italias and the brand new micro sub boxes that have active bass in them. So we're going to start with the Diamond MicroBox. This is a brand new piece from Diamond. Although it looks like the passive boxes, it's fully active. And you wouldn't think active for audiophile, but in this case, Diamond Audio has you covered with some of the best bass packages in the industry that are easy to remove. Meaning you get to have your audiophile system in your car, maybe you haul your kids, maybe you got to go to hockey, maybe you got to go to Costco, and you get to take your subs in and out easily without destroying the ability to have sound. These are full jack Diamond Audio subwoofers. These are the DES woofers. They are known for their deep bass, their power handling, and their longevity. These are great audiophile subwoofers. They come in a wonderful ported box. These things sound amazing. Now, we've had the passive boxes now for about a year, and we needed the ability to take them out a little easier, and Diamond Audio offered us that. So now, when we have the family car, we still get to have our audiophile subwoofer. And if you're wondering about power output, Diamond took care of you. With the 8-inch, you get 250 watts. With the dual 8, 500 watts. The single 10, 400 watts. The dual 10, 800 watts. And this 12-inch is 500 watts RMS, meaning they have a variable output amplifier. No two boxes are alike. They are all matched to the subwoofers that are in the boxes, and these things thump. So now let's take a look at the speakers you're going to put in the front of that ride. With Diamond Audiophile, you're going to start with the Diamante Italias. These are their top-of-the-line speakers. These are built with a 1% tolerance for superior performance. With 150 watts RMS of power handling, they're going to cover you in every application. These come with a 1-inch silk dome tweeter, a 2.5-inch mid-range, and a 6.5 woofer. Knowing Diamond for their quality of sound, these are the superior sound Diamond has to offer. These are made in Italy, and they are the best quality possible. So now, let's take a look and see what's inside the box. And here's what's inside that big, beautiful blue box, the Diamond Diamantes. With your 1-inch silk dome tweeter, your 2.5-inch mid-range, and your 6.5 mid-bass, and of course, the wonderful crossovers. Now let's get into each piece individually. Diamond provides a 1-inch natural silk dome tweeter with Kapton former and composite fiber case for the clearest highs. These feature a 97 dB sensitivity, meaning they need very little power to sound good. And I'll tell you, they sound amazing. And now the 2.5-inch mid-range. These composite basket speakers have a foam surround, a 1.75 voice coil, a fiberglass cone, fiberglass phase cone, and gold-plated terminals. With a cotton spider, these are long-lasting mid-range speakers. And of course, the 6.5. Composite fiber basket, HBNR rubber surround, a 1.25-inch voice coil, a proprietary bronze fiberglass cone, gold-plated terminals, and cotton spider means that these 6.5s are going to last a long time and give you tons of listening enjoyment. Last but not least, the external crossover. This guy's constructed with a transparent plexiglass cover to showcase the selected premium grade components, made in Italy with a 1% tolerance and stability for superior performance. These are going to make these speakers sound amazing. And of course, like everything Diamond, they're built to the best quality possible in Italy. And there you have it, the audiophile gear from Diamond Audio. Thanks again for tuning in today's workshop. And as always, if you need more information on the speakers and subs we're showing off here today, diamondaudio.com. And if you need to become a dealer, dicksperformancenorth.com.